What a day down in the Keys. The wind was up, the conditions were far from perfect, but the sun was shining, the boats were in the water, and the crowd showed up. Demos were going all day. Food, drinks were flowing, and there were a whole lot of good people hanging out with us. Big thanks go out to Lime Tree Resort for hosting us. And a special big thanks to Long Key Bar and Grill for providing the food. And to everybody else who came out, our customers, guides, friends, supporters, y'all made the event what it was. And truthfully, the rougher weather made the demos even better. It gave people a real chance to feel how dry and comfortable these boats stay, even when conditions are not ideal. Big thanks go out to Justin Menendez for coming out and being all in with us. We also had some fun and impromptu polling and fly casting games, and the winners got 2 pairs of free Costa sunglasses. And Turtlebox kept the tunes rolling all day as well. It was a great turnout, a great day, and we appreciate everybody who came out. Keep an eye out for the next one. They keep getting better and better. We're just getting going.